Hey guys, and welcome to this blog. So today is going to be a silent blog, and in this video I'm going to cook for my siblings, and I just decided to treat them for a day because they're school kids. They don't stay with me, meaning they don't eat what they want all the time. So today I called them, I'm like, let them come, and I just wanted to cook for them. So I am going to cook chicken for them. So watch and see what exactly I'm doing today. Oh, as I was dealing with the chicken, my sister was helping me frying the chips, and yeah, let's get into cooking. Hi you guys, can you see how yummy this food is? I think the camera is not doing justice, so we served the food with chips and some bread. I was to cook rice, but I got lazy because actually I was cooking after doing some deep general cleaning, but I did not take you guys along, so I was already tired and I'm like, no, let me just do this. And yeah, so it was finally time to eat the food, so we decided to sit outside so that we can have enough space because we are eating as a family and the food was yummy. You guys should come and join us. You need to come and test this food, you guys. I could not even believe that I did this. Like, I literally cooked this chicken, as in, if it's not because of this video, I wouldn't even believe that I did this. But this video is just the from. So thank you so much for watching to this point. Let me know what you think about this little cooking video. This is not South Sudanese dishes, but once in a while we also cook international food. We only don't eat our own, we also eat other food, or we also know how to cook different type of food. We are open-minded. We are not only stick to our local food. So yeah, that's how diverse we are. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.